Good and bad news for the world of Nanatsu no Taizai and its fourth and final season. The good news is that if tomorrow the fourth season of the Seven Sin Capitals, but the bad news is that it will be a chapter special that will summarize everything we saw previously in past seasons in the anime. If unfortunately confirmed in this way that the premiere if given tomorrow January 14, but the first official chapter would be arriving just next Wednesday, January 20 in some way or another. Until the day of today, we did not have an official synopsis. Until the day of today, we did not have an official synopsis of this first chapter, nor did the staff of 6 just would participate in the first episode of Hatch was quite the weird one. So logically, chapter number 1 didn't. It would be released tomorrow, but what is known about this special that will replace the chapter number 1 and how good it would be somehow delaying the premiere of this first episode. Our good friend Hell on Twitter clarifies that for the moment, this will be a summary with all that we saw in season number 3. Will also have the participation of important labels like Elizabeth and Mediated, so it can be really turn out something interesting to see. Also take into account also that in the special of tomorrow, perhaps an official preview of the first chapter to be released still next week. But good, nothing to be alarmed. One more week compared to the month the anime had to be delayed is very different. Although recently it seems that Japanese is decreeing also a state of emergency in different prefectures due to an increase in COVID cases, and according to rumors there could be another delay for different animes currently on air in Japan. At the moment, nothing confirmed, but will still be informing as soon as there is more relevant information. And on the other hand, there has also been a lot of comment that season 4 it would be released in Latin Spanish. There are already many people who have been asking this through Instagram, telling me if it is true, this affirmation or not, because unfortunately friends, the fourth season will arrive only in Japanese and then with the Spanish subtitles, but there is no confirmation that it arrives in Latin Spanish at the moment. In fact, for it to be released in Latin audio, they will have to spend a few months more. Also has just premiered season number 3 in Latin Spanish through Netflix. So you can already imagine that season number 4, it might take a long time for it to be folded. I believe that the doubt and confusion of many is due to the fact that on the Netflix appears that season 4 is already in Latin Spanish, but in reality you have to remember that this is season 3 only that Netflix titled as season 4. And I think that's where the confusion comes from. Many imagine returning now to the true fourth season of the anime. Well, we would see during the start of this final season, although we will expect a little more for chapter number 1. Good, one more week. That is not much in this video anyway. I share a small preview of what we would see in this first episode according to the manga of Nats 1 Taisha, and comfortable also to increase the hype for non-manga readers. In the previous video, we talked that this last season will start with the battle of Stigma against the demonic clan. However, the plot was going to be divided into 3 scenarios. On the one hand, a scenario where we will see States kidnapping Elizabeth and how some deadly sins go after his rescue. A second scenario would be located in Purgatory, to which they will arrive with the desire to find Emilio thus. And finally, the third scenario that would show us the encounter of Stigma against that of this Cusack and Chandler, who are previously guarding Emilio. Thus is very likely that during each chapter we see a preview of each of these scenarios, since in the end all will eventually lead to the same point, But if we take into account the manga exactly chapter number 267, where in theory the fourth season of the anime should start the season, then with the setting of this Rose and Elizabeth, while the devil has kidnapped Elizabeth, after her go to the rescue king, the Jedi water and the archangels being honey is Ariel as seen at the end of the season number 3. This Rose is completely losing her mind by point that now in season number 4, consumed by the enormous power of the commandments, will also endanger Elizabeth, trying to imprison in parallel the purgatory we find banned for those who have hundreds of years passed since his stay in purgatory spends more fast in years on earth. The reason why we see them go completely different with long hair, beard and mustache for not having been cut a long time. In fact, he was on the verge of becoming a resident of purgatory if it were not that he regained his senses with the desire to continue with his missions and find the captain half a day without. However, after an intense search for centuries and being about to fall, finally surrendered, they would manage to find Emilio. Thus, as it can see, and it could be appreciated briefly even in the final trailer, it's from the season the medium 2 that would see in purgatory are actually the emotions of the medium does original. The reason why Ban has come to this place is precisely to recover the emotions of half a day and make the original go back to being as before. Therefore, during the first chapter, we would witness the coexistence of Banny half a day in purgatory, and the next mission of both will be planning your escape from purgatory, because it is useless to have found the captain if It is useless to have found the captain if there is no way to get it out as soon as possible. It is there without much spoiler is what the first has prepared for us chapter apparently, but be aware the fourth season is not the only surprise that will arrive during the month of January. Also keep in mind that it is very close to the premiere of the sequel in the manga. The manga ended on March 25 of the last year 2020, but that doesn't mean the end of the adventures that they imagine ends up Suzuki inside the world of Britannia. Since then announced the new serialization of sequel titled as the Four Knights of the Apocalypse, and now recently a illustration of the sequel announcing that this new arc will be published in the edition of the Wiki Lesionen magazine corresponding to January 27 of this year 2021. As you can see in the ad, this is accompanied by a unknown character from the movement of those who had already been announced previously. There are quite a few rumors that this would be nothing more and nothing less than the son of the king to Daging and the queen of the giant has, and on the other hand he also remembers, and I end up introducing us to the Tristan's son of Meljodas and Elizabeth, and a few months after the end of the series it was revealed also the appearance of the son of Ban, and therefore the plot of manga. It is also being harvested for good, and we will leave the plot for now up to here. As always, thanks for watching this video, and until next time.